Test like a pro. Diagnose with confidence. Car relay testers are essential tools for mechanics and DIYers alike, helping you quickly check relays, fuses, and electrical circuits without guesswork. Whether you're troubleshooting a stubborn electrical issue or keeping your ride in top shape, the right tester makes the job easier. In this video, we've handpicked the best 5 car relay testers that stand out for accuracy, durability, and value. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Senyu CNBJ-707 Car Relay Tester. Designed to simplify relay diagnostics without complicated setups, this tester offers a fast and reliable way to check the working condition of common automotive relays used in cars, RVs, trucks, and trailers. Powered through a modern Type-C interface, it can be conveniently connected to mobile phone chargers, power banks, car power supplies, or standard adapters, making it highly practical for workshop use as well as roadside or field inspections. Once powered on, the device delivers a stable 12-volt detection voltage to the relay coil, allowing accurate simulation of real operating conditions. The testing process is straightforward and efficient. With a dedicated power switch to control operation and a separate test button to trigger detection, users can complete a relay check within about 1 second. The tester supports both 4-pin and 5-pin 12-volt electromagnetic relays, and the built-in toggle switch allows quick selection between pin configurations without changing tools. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of automotive electrical systems and relay types commonly found in vehicles. Clear visual feedback is provided through a dual-color indicator light located at the center of the panel. The red and green LED instantly shows whether the relay is functioning correctly, eliminating guesswork and reducing diagnostic time. For added convenience, side LED lighting can be switched on to illuminate the work area, making relay testing easier in dark engine bays or low-light environments such as garages or outdoor conditions at night. Built to operate reliably across a working temperature range from -10 to 50 degrees, the tester maintains stable performance in various environments. Its low-rated power consumption under 10 watts ensures energy efficiency and safe operation, while the requirement for coil resistance of 20 ohms or higher helps protect both the relay and the tester during use. The compact and practical design focuses on durability and ease of handling, supporting frequent testing without excessive wear. Overall, it serves as a handy diagnostic companion for quickly verifying relay health, reducing unnecessary replacements, and improving troubleshooting efficiency. By combining simple controls, fast response, and broad compatibility, it helps users confidently identify faulty relays and maintain dependable vehicle electrical systems. Pros: fast detection, Type-C power, clear indicator, wide compatibility. Cons: relay only, no data storage. Number 4. OBDResource RT100 Car Relay Tester. Built to remove guesswork from relay diagnostics, this tester delivers a smarter and more flexible approach to checking automotive relays across different vehicle systems. It stands out by intelligently recognizing both 12 volts and 24 volts relays automatically, allowing users to plug in and begin testing instantly without manual selection. This feature makes it especially convenient when working with mixed vehicle types, saving time and reducing setup errors during diagnostics. Its wide relay compatibility adds another strong advantage, supporting 5 different pin configuration types and more than 20 relay variations. This broad coverage makes it suitable for a wide range of automotive, truck, and industrial relay applications, far beyond the limitations of many standard testers. It can test relays regardless of whether they are normally open or normally closed, handling internal wiring logic automatically and eliminating the need for users to judge relay structure before testing. Designed for true portability, it operates on 3 AA batteries, allowing immediate use without connecting to a vehicle battery or external power source. This makes it ideal for mobile technicians, roadside checks, or quick bench testing. For added flexibility, it also supports Type-C power input, enabling operation through laptops, power banks, or adapters whenever battery power is not preferred. Energy efficiency is carefully considered, with an automatic shutdown function that activates after 1 minute of inactivity to conserve power completely. During operation, the tester provides both visual and audio feedback through dual-color LED indicators and a built-in buzzer, ensuring results are clear even in noisy or low-visibility environments. Thoughtful alerts, such as low battery warnings, help prevent interrupted tests, while easy switching between 4-pin and 5-pin configurations keeps operation smooth. The refined silicone spray oil finish improves grip and durability while remaining environmentally friendly. Backed by strong quality assurance, including a long warranty and replacement policy, it delivers confidence alongside performance. Overall, it offers a professional-grade relay testing solution that combines intelligence, portability, and reliability, making relay diagnostics faster, clearer, and more efficient for a wide range of users. Pros: auto recognition, wide compatibility, dual power, audio-visual alerts. Cons: battery required, relay focused. Number 3. Jfind JF107 Car Relay Tester. Designed for hands-on automotive diagnostics, this relay tester fits naturally into any technician or car owner toolkit where speed and accuracy matter. It focuses on quickly identifying whether a relay is functioning correctly without requiring complicated setups or advanced electrical knowledge. By connecting directly to a vehicle battery, it draws power within an 11-volt to 25-volt range, making it compatible with both 12-volt and 24-volt automotive systems. Once connected, the device automatically recognizes relay pin positions, eliminating guesswork and reducing testing errors during use. During operation, the tester evaluates multiple aspects of relay performance, including action timing, release timing, and consistency across each testing stage. This automatic process helps identify hidden issues that might not be visible through manual inspection alone. Support for both 4-pin and 5-pin general-purpose automotive relays ensures wide compatibility with most vehicles on the road today. The clear LED indicator system provides instant feedback, allowing users to understand test results at a glance, without interpreting complex readings or data. A green LED signal confirms that the relay is operating normally, giving confidence that the component can continue to be used safely. When a red LED appears, it indicates abnormal performance, helping users quickly pinpoint faulty relays before they cause larger electrical problems. With a required coil resistance of 20 ohms or higher, the tester maintains reliable detection standards and avoids misleading results. Its straightforward design makes it suitable for professional mechanics, workshop technicians, and everyday drivers who prefer to perform basic diagnostics themselves. Built for efficiency and practicality, this relay detector saves time during troubleshooting by reducing unnecessary relay replacements and minimizing downtime. It promotes preventive maintenance by identifying failing relays early, contributing to overall vehicle reliability. Whether used in a garage, workshop, or roadside situation, it delivers consistent diagnostic performance with minimal effort, making it a dependable solution for automotive electrical testing needs. Pros: fast detection, wide compatibility, simple operation, clear indicators. Cons: battery dependent, relay limits. Number 2. Senyu CNBJ-722 Car Relay Tester. It supports both 4-pin and 5-pin automotive relays and works seamlessly with 12 volts and 24-volt systems, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. The testing process is straightforward, allowing users to quickly determine relay condition without complex procedures or professional-level tools. This makes it especially appealing for drivers and mechanics who value speed and clarity during maintenance tasks. Unlike many relay testers that rely on a vehicle power source, this unit operates using two 18650 batteries, offering true portability and independence from external power. This feature makes it particularly useful for roadside checks, mobile repairs, or situations where access to a car battery is limited. Continuous operation is possible as long as the batteries are charged, helping users carry out repeated tests without interruption. Its battery-powered design also adds an extra layer of safety and convenience during use. Compact dimensions and a lightweight build allow it to be easily stored in a briefcase, toolbox, or satchel for quick access whenever a relay issue arises. Despite its small size, it delivers accurate and consistent testing results, helping identify faulty relays before they cause larger electrical failures. Whether used in a garage environment or while traveling, it remains easy to handle and transport, supporting efficient diagnostics in various conditions. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, the tester is built to withstand regular use and the demands of automotive environments. It performs reliably across a wide temperature range, ensuring stable operation in both cold and warm conditions. The durable housing protects internal components, extending the overall lifespan of the tool. Designed for anyone who wants to take a more hands-on approach to vehicle maintenance, it combines reliability, portability, and ease of use into one dependable diagnostic solution. Pros: battery-powered, portable design, wide compatibility, durable build. Cons: plastic body. Number 1, and the winner is Aneng RT01 Car Relay Tester. Engineered for efficient electrical diagnostics, this relay tester brings clarity and confidence to the process of checking automotive relays under real working conditions. It connects directly to a vehicle battery and operates within an 11-volt to 25-volt voltage range, making it compatible with both 12-volt and 24-volt systems commonly found in cars and trucks. Once powered, it is immediately ready to test, with a clear LED status indicator confirming that the device is active and prepared for operation. This direct battery connection ensures stable power during testing and eliminates inconsistencies that can arise from weaker external sources. The testing process is largely automated, allowing the device to intelligently identify relay pin positions and begin evaluation without complicated manual adjustments. It supports both 4-pin and 5-pin general-purpose automotive relays and can handle relays rated at 40 AM, 60 AM, and 70 AM, expanding its usefulness across many vehicle models. During testing, it repeatedly opens and closes the relay to measure action and release timing, helping reveal delays or irregularities that could lead to electrical failures. Consistency checks across multiple cycles further improve accuracy, ensuring that marginal or failing relays are clearly identified. Visual feedback plays a central role in usability, with a bright digital display and LED indicator lights simplifying interpretation of results. A green LED confirms proper relay function, while a red LED immediately signals abnormal behavior or incompatibility. The included alligator clicks provide a secure and convenient connection to the battery, with sufficient cable length to allow flexible positioning during diagnostics. This setup makes the tool suitable for use in garages, workshops, or outdoor repair scenarios. Built for practicality and durability, the tester is designed to support repeated use by mechanics and car owners who prefer dependable diagnostic tools. Its straightforward operation reduces diagnostic time, helps prevent unnecessary relay replacements, and supports proactive vehicle maintenance. By combining automated testing, wide compatibility, and clear visual indicators, it delivers a reliable solution for accurately assessing relay health in automotive electrical systems. Pros: automated testing, wide voltage, clear indicators, high compatibility. Cons: battery connection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.